It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Thursday, August 13th. I'm James Spann. Beautiful day today, but in coming days, the humidity values are coming back up. Check it out, water vapor satellite view. We still have broad troughing on the East Coast. The big upper high well to the west. We're kind of in between all of that, but dry air mass stays in place. East of Alabama, we note some fairly big storms around Atlanta this afternoon. Those are moving south. Those will not bother us. We'll stay dry tonight. And you know, the numbers are just not that bad for the middle of August. We could easily do triple-digit heat this time of the year. Most locations in the upper 80s. In fact, mid-80s for places like Cullman, Haleyville, and Fort Payne. Birmingham at 88. We should be close to 90 each day for incoming days over the weekend and tomorrow. Not many watches and warnings around the nation today. Pretty quiet. Back in the Southwest, an excessive heat warning for Phoenix, an excessive heat watch around Las Vegas, where those cities might see 110 tomorrow. But in the dry air, no severe weather, no showers, no storms for us. A marginal risk over parts of Central and South Florida, and a slight risk over parts of Nebraska. And then tomorrow, the green is back. That means a few spots could see an afternoon storm, but nothing too widespread. The organized severe weather risks are well to the north, near the Canadian border. Rain for the next 5 days. Not much. Amounts in Alabama for the northern counties, generally under 1/2 inch, and this is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Little higher numbers near the Gulf Coast, but even there, just a passing storm. From time to time, you'll see a pretty decent amount of sunshine each day. And off in the tropics, it's the same old story. Very quiet. Tropical storm formation not expected anytime soon. Hey, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars. 597 heat back over the Four Corners. That's the reason for those excessive heat warnings out in the southwest and the deserts. The trough beginning to lift out over the east, and the moisture starts to come back. And no doubt we'll need to mention some risk of an afternoon shower or storm tomorrow. Here's the high-res NAM at 3 o'clock. Showing a few scattered showers and storms. They seem to be most active on the western side of the state, but anybody could see one, and you know the deal. It will be random and scattered, and there's no way of knowing now where those things pop up, but we think they will. And that's the idea for the weekend. This is Saturday. Partly sunny, a few spots getting a storm, and the same thing on Sunday. Highs for the weekend, pretty close to 90, maybe low 90s in spots, and the dew points are creeping back up toward the 70s, so the old oppressive feeling will be coming back the way it should feel here in August. And really, next week, not a lot of change. This is Monday, the GFS printing a high of 92, maybe a storm in spots. Same thing Tuesday, and the same thing Wednesday. Highs 89 to 92, partly sunny. The chance of a few scattered, mostly afternoon storms. A week from today, Thursday, August 20th, heights are clearly coming up. And again, that looks very typical for summer. Partially sunny, maybe a storm in a few spots. Low 90s are likely. Here's the end of the forecast, Sunday, August 23rd. Look at the 594 ring north of the state. That extends up into New England. Looks awfully hot for our friends up there. But for us, same old song and dance. Partly sunny, muggy, a few scattered storms. Temperatures for the next 15 days coming off the GEFS ensemble. Highs between 90 and 95, lows around 70 for most nights. And the anomalies, August 21st through August 27th. A little above average here, but probably not by very much. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.